Ultra-Shear's metric half-round router bits cut a perfect half circle. The 7 available sizes match the mortise dimensions of the popular Festool Domino joining machines: 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14 millimeters. Now you can precisely mill your own loose tenon material in any species of wood for stunning exposed tenon joinery. Ready-made dominoes are engineered for blind joinery, and they do a great job. But when you want to expose the end of the tenon, the relief grooves just aren't attractive. To mill your own custom loose tenon stock, machine the thickness of your stock to fit the mortise. Next, profile one edge. Cut the width of the material to the width of the mortise. And now profile the second edge. Now you have material that fills the mortise completely and looks great exposed, whether it's the same species or contrasting. And you don't have to limit yourself to just the size of the ready-made domino tenons. Here we've made 2 cuts 3/4 of an inch apart with the 14mm bit in the Domino XL on the wide setting. The resulting mortise is 2 inches wide. Now it's simply a matter of making your tenon stock to fit the mortise. We end up with a joint that is almost twice as wide as a normal 14mm domino and 50% longer. For even more strength and a distinctive look, we're installing wedges. The metric half-round bits consist of a solid carbide head brazed to a steel shank. This hybrid approach results in bits with the effectiveness of solid carbide at prices that compete with simple carbide-tipped bits. We manufacture the metric half-round bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages, just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear Metric Half-Round Bits, expanding your joinery options with attractive exposed loose tenons. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.